So, because of the holiday week, the volume is little low, but we'll see if there are any good opportunities we can take a trade. So, whenever you want to take the trades, especially in the evening or morning hours, yeah, or at any point of time, right, with the prop firms, check like is there any ticker where you have everything green in trend and momentum. And for example, RTY is looking good, right? We have bullish momentum. Trend is completely bullish. There is bullish momentum. That means it is a nice bullish ticker. There is a strength in the trend, right? In 5 minutes, it is little choppy, but in all the other time frames, we have good momentum also. So like that, check if there is anything which is completely red or completely green. RTY is green. Gold is it is a combination of green and red, so better you avoid it. Crude oil is more bearish, with more red. If I also becomes red, then we can focus on shorts. YM is also looking very good, right? Everything is green, and we just now we got a buy signal. So now I can go ahead and take a buy on YM, right? So because there is a proper trend established, right? Because everything is green, there is a high possibility for it to go all the way to the top. Right? RTY is also in 5 minutes. It is little choppy, but it's okay. It may go minimum until 24, 40, 41. We can try to take a so that's it. We look at whichever ticker is looking very bullish or completely bearish. They are the best ones. So YM there is good volume. Yes is also okay. Looking good. So I took a long on ES. I took a long on RPY. I also took a long on YM. So because there is a proper bullish trend, there is a proper bullish momentum. Also, volatility is green. Trend strength is also mainly green. So your background is green, your clouds are green. Yeah, because we already took NQ is also, if you see the trend, momentum, trend strength is also looking good. Volatility is also good. Because we already took multiple positions, we can hold on NQ. So the advantage with prop firm is you don't need to make huge profits. All you need is one or two good trades. You will be done for the day. Then you can trade nearly 23 hours a day. Even you're working in IT or in any other job, in the evening times you can trade, or in the morning times before your office starts, you can trade. And you can scale up as much as you want. If you want to trade with the Tradify, you can trade. If you want to trade with the Elite Trader Fund for the same chart, same setup, you can copy the same trade into different companies and you can get paid. So even if we make $100 in one account, you can replicate that in multiple accounts. So during this time, it will be slow, but it will be also easy if you have patience. If you just look for, okay, is this green? Is this completely bullish? There won't be sudden surprises, sudden bounces, right? In the morning time, there will be a lot of up and downs. But during this time, it will be more stable and it will be slow and steady. So if I have 10 Elite Trader Fund accounts, that is $250, right? I took it 38.8. If I close at 39.5, that is nearly $35 or so. 35 and multiply with 10 accounts, 350. You are done for the day. Right? If you want, you can write. Still, it can write your resistance is here. It may go a little bit up. But by looking at this, you got a confidence that, okay, it is looking good in all time frames. There is a strength in that trend. Whatever is the trend, okay, it is bullish trend. There is a strength in the bullish trend. Yeah, enable the chat window. If you have any questions, you can post in the chat. Yeah, these are our custom indicators which we developed. So if you want to get the access for the indicators, you have to go to this ninja underscore apex underscore bot. I'm trading in Elite Trader Fund. So right here you can see trader weight. You can connect to trader weight, and then whenever you take the trades, it will happen across all the different accounts. So we bought it 2438.8. Right now it is 2439.5. Yeah, it is real time live data. Yeah, you basically need a trading view account, and when you buy any of those, you have to go to Telegram and you have to enter this ninja underscore apex underscore bot. That is not stuck. That is moving. So we entered ES at 42.50. So if I close the trade at 43.50, that is $50 in one account. But if you have 10 accounts, that is $500. So prop firm trading is you play small for small profits, but you play it in multiple accounts. If you take in 10 accounts, 20 accounts, all you are looking, okay, there is a good setup. It is looking bullish. This cloud background is green. These clouds are green and blue. So minimum it may go all the way till here. Even if I make $50, right, it is nearly I from here to here is 200 to $50. But even out of that 250, even if I make 50 with each account, with 10 accounts, it is $500. Yeah, tomorrow it will be full day. Then I think Friday it will be only half day for futures and options. Thursday will be complete holiday. Yeah, trades will happen in all the accounts. Yeah, there is a software called Replicanto. Yeah, you can use one account and you can increase the you can say that okay, if I take one in this, I want to take two in the other accounts, or if I take one mini here, I want to take two micros. You can suggest that. There is a software called Replicanto. That Replicanto software will help us to copy the trades, right? From within, for example, Allied Trader Fund will give you 20 accounts. You can copy from one account to all the other 19 accounts. Not only within the Allied Trader Fund, you can copy the same trade into Tradify. You can copy the same trade into Apex. You can copy the same trade into Top Trader Fund. There are the 20, 30 companies which will do the prop firms. So you are looking at the same chart. If you see there is a good setup, right? So same thing with stocks, options, futures, anything. The concept is same. You look whether there is a good trend, right? You see complete green here, complete green here. So out of 10 tickers, there are two or three tickers where it is completely bullish. Then you just go long. If you see something completely red, you just go short. Right? For example, today morning we saw that right SPX we took multiple bull put spreads. For gold we did the both. For Roku it was completely red. Right? It was completely bearish. We took a bear call spread. We made nice profits. Right? It was completely red. So you can buy the puts, you can do bear call spreads, you can short the stock. If something is looking, let us say Rivian tomorrow morning, if it is completely green, then you can buy the stocks. If there is a mix of green and red, then better you avoid it. If you see some stock which is completely looking good, for example, energy, it was very bullish today morning, right? Complete all the time frames bullish. Momentum is bullish. Trend strength is green. Then it went all the way from $99 to $102. You can buy the calls, puts, whatever you want, you can do. CEG also same thing. It was very bullish. So today morning, even before market open, I shared this list, which are looking good. Moved all the way from 260 to 270. So if something is completely green in all the columns, they are the best ones. You can go for calls. Like that, you can use it for currencies, you can use it for cryptos, you can use it for stocks, options, futures. The logic is same thing. So TradingView is like a platform, charting platform, where we developed our indicators and scanners, everything. So TradingView has free plans also, but you can only use two indicators at a time. If you right again, if you think like an entrepreneur, you should be ready to invest some amount for your learning, for your education purpose. And then, so if you now they have a 70% discount or something, TradingView. So you pay $10, but you can create lot of alerts, right? It will, for example, I created alerts on all these, well, right? If you see, okay, Apple, if I get a buy signal in 1 hour, Airbnb, ABT, AC, and Adobe. So we can create all those alerts whenever it says that, okay, Apple is looking good in 1 hour, we can buy the calls. Or so when you have a plan, a paid plan, you can do a lot of things. You can create hundreds of alerts, hundreds of notifications, and you can create multiple tabs. You can use multiple indicators. You can create multiple layouts. There are many advantages. You will be, but yeah, you can also use a free trading view plan, which will allow you to use any two indicators at a time, and you can still use it. Yeah, we have setup sessions every day, or whenever we have new members in the channel, we help them to set up trading view, the indicators, Tradify, and other things. So replicant software, right? One first thing is you will try with one account and you practice. Once you become confident, once you become comfortable, then you can use Replicanto and you can copy the trade from one account to all the other accounts. TradingView is a free platform, but you only use two indicators. But if you want to use our software which we developed, then you have to pay a monthly fee. You can use on Windows or Mac for TradingView. So that is nearly 55, right? If I sell it, right, even if you teach to your kids also, they can also do it, right? Sometimes we think too much, we unnecessarily complicate things. But when you teach to someone who don't know anything, they will do much better, right? All you need to do is, okay, everything is green. So mm, they can click on this buy button. If everything is red, they can click on the sell button. Yeah, there is already a Thanksgiving offer we are giving. We are giving a holiday hotel savings card worth of $300. If you take a three indicator plan, which is 299, you will get that $300. It is not like a gift card, but whenever you stay in a hotel, you get some discount. There are more than million hotels you can use. Whenever you stay in any resort, any hotels, you will get certain discount. So that will basically it is like getting the plan for free in the first 1 month. Right now we made nearly 60 $70 with RTY. Right, that is only with one account. But if I'm copying the same trade in 10 accounts, that is $600 700. Yes, I think yeah, yes, I already booked the profits. I kept a limit order, so yes, trade got closed. Again, I took a buy order. Same thing you can see in Q. That is another $75 with YM. I took profits, right? As I said, we don't need thousands of dollars in one trade, right? All you need is $100, $50, $100. But when you are multiplying that, copying into multiple accounts, that becomes huge. Right? Is it easy for you to identify? Right? It is a bullish ticker. Everything is green here. Right? Anybody can easily identify. We can say, right? We got a buy signal. So we have different scanners, different indicators, different strategies. So, right, if you want to use if you want to use some scanners, right? So three indicators is 299, five indicators is 399 per month. You will be able to do. Tomorrow evening is the indicator setup session. Tomorrow evening, 4 o'clock. Yeah, for indicator plan also you are eligible. You have the offer. So I already took profits one time. I entered yes one more time because still it is looking bullish. So I took profits on RTY, some nearly $100. On YM I took some 70, $80. Yes, I already took some $50 and waiting for another $50. So we'll be done for the day. So let me share a video. Um, so yeah, if you are already a member, if you attended a session, you already might have known why we took a session or why we took puts for Dell. Yeah. Right. For example, what do you see here? Right. This was before the earnings. Right. We sold the calls for Dell. We got the bear call spreads. So why we took Dell puts? Because or the bearish way because you are at a it went all the way from the bottom to the top, and you can see $11.4 million sell orders. Big players want to sell the sell the stocks at that 148 price or 148 or 146 price. That means if all the big players are selling millions of stocks, that means there must be some bad reason. They might have got some insider information or somehow or other. So that one, so if you see Dell now from nearly 145 or 142, you can see how much it went down. Right? It went to $125. Right? That one alert itself would have covered your annual fee. Right? That one put or one bear call spread, or if you shorted the stock. Let us look at another example. So, where is the stock? Stock is around 65, $67. And where is your sell orders? At around 75, 76. Right? And there are a lot of fair value gaps, lot of buyers. Right? There is a lot of trend strength, complete bullish. So you have a lot of distance from the current price where the big players want to sell off. And also it is not a very huge, right? For Dell, you saw nearly 11 million, 12 million. Here it is only 1.9 million. So now if you see Amba, how much it moved, it moved to $83. Right? From $67, it moved to 83. That means it made nearly 25% up after the earnings. So we got the 75 call that will make nearly 500 to 600% on the each one. Right? Because we got it for $2. Tomorrow that will be more than $20. So that's how if you take time to learn and practice, you can use it with stocks, options, futures. There are so many ways you can do it. Only thing is you need to take time to learn, practice, understand how to use. Again, it's all visual, right? You don't need to use a lot of logic there. All you need to see, okay, all these are green, right? The background is green. Like that, all you need to use that uh, simple approach. No, that is not 100% filled. That means 100% orders are still open at that point. We can, we are using trade weight for the future states. Right, all you need is to get the trading view subscription. You have to go to ninja underscore apex underscore bot. And if you want to use all different scanners or 5 different tools which will help you to take decisions, then you can get 399 plan. If you want to only focus on 3 indicators, then you can get 299 plan. And then basically you can join the live sessions. You will be taking options trades or futures trades. You can keep learning and then you can trade on your own. You don't need to depend on anyone. When you have it before you, whenever you are free, if you are getting up at 4 a.m. Eastern, right, in the Europe time frame, it will be very easy to trade, right? Just like now, if you see everything green or everything red, easily you can make some nice profits. There won't be too much volatility, right? In the US market, there will be a lot of volatility, sudden up and downs. But in the Europe market, in the Asia market hours, generally it will be slow and steady. You have to just look at the trend. If the trend is looking bullish, you go long. If the overall trend is looking bearish, you go short. So like that, you don't need to depend on any alerts or anyone. Once you take some time to understand, learn, practice. So all you need is subscription to our indicators, right? Once you subscribe to the indicators, you can get right. If you want to trade stocks, options, futures, anything in your personal accounts, you can do that. That is one way. Or you can subscribe to any of these prop firms like a light trader fund or Tradify, and then you can get some accounts and then you can take trades in them. So you are not using your own money. You are trading in those accounts and whatever profits you make, right? There are some companies where you have to first complete an evaluation and then they will give you a funded account, right? For example, a light trader fund. First, you have to show them you can make profits. Once you make profits, then they will give you the real account or where you can make the real money. There are some companies like Tradify where they will directly give you the funded account, but it will be little expensive. For example, if this one is $15, $16 for a 50K account, that one will be nearly $150. So if you are confident, then you can directly go with funded account. So there won't be any time waste. If you are completely a new trader, you start with an evaluation account so you can practice with a low cost. And once you become confident, then you can take the direct funded accounts. Yeah, we do live trade every day. Mainly we do during market hours because evenings sometimes it will be very, very slow. Sometimes you will have a good bullish or bearish trend. Some days it will be very slow, so you have to wait for a lot of time. The price pulse will not have buy and sell alert. Price pulse will mainly show where there are big players are buying, big players are selling. But price pulse has something, right? This blue, whenever this line turns to blue, right? For example, here price came little bit down and then started this line turned blue. Whenever this line turns to blue, you can go long. So it went all the way to the top. So as long as the line is blue, you can continue to hold the long trades. For example, after some time, if the this line turns to red, then you can take the short side. Or you can always look at the table. If you're, for example, it is completely bullish, so you want to mainly focus on the long side, right? On the on the buy signals. You don't want to take the sell signals because the overall trend is bullish in all different time frames. You don't want to short. This indicator is top trend, which shows you all these buy signal, sell signal, trend momentum. It will show all these things. Yeah, top trend comes with buy and sell signals. Right, every candle, for example, if you are using a 5 minute candle, that means every candle is telling what happened within that 5 minutes. If you are using a 1 hour daily candle, that means it is telling you what happened in that one day. So, if you are a long term investor, you will look at daily candle. You want to take quick profits, you may look at 1 minute or 5 minutes. You are a swing trader, you want to keep rates for one day, 2 days, like that. Then you may use 1 hour, 4 hours. So, based on what type of trader you are, you have to use that particular time frame. So, if everything is looking bullish, then you can always go to a lower time frame, like 1 minute or 5 minutes, and you can take buy signals. So, basically, think like, right, this is like your first friend, second friend, third friend. If all of them are telling that this will go up, you will basically try to buy it. If all of them are telling that it is bearish, and if it is red in color, you will try to short first and then try to cover later. That is, we took it 45.75. Now, if I close at 46.5, that is another $37.5. When you put a order also, you can just mention that, okay, I want to take 4 ticks profit, I want to take 4 ticks stop loss, so that you don't need to keep watching the chart. Whenever you see that, okay, everything is looking good, I want to buy it. And whenever I want to, if it moves by 10 ticks or this many points, I want to take profit here. I want to take stop loss here, like that. You can do, and then automatically it will close the trade for you. You don't need to keep watching the chart. As of now, I'm sharing only one indicator, top trend indicator. This price pulse is mainly to know where you have, for example, if you are coming where you have a lot of sell orders, then you know, okay, it is better to book the profits and wait for the reversal. Right? It came all the way with the discount. Setup session, we'll do setup session tomorrow evening. So today I want to basically show you like how easy it is to take the trades. Once you understand, then you use the same strategy if you want to trade India stocks. Right? Everything is bullish, everything is green. The background is green, the clouds are green. Generally, if you get a buy signal and if all these are green, that is the best thing. Now it already went so much high, right? From $1130 or 1130 rupees, it went to nearly 1200 rupees. So now, if I get a small pullback and if I get another buy signal, again I can enter, right? Or you go to bell. So here all these are bullish. 5 minutes is, and there is a mix of bullish and right. This is green, this is red. So you can just avoid the ticker. Don't trade that. Here also there is some. These are red. This is green. So if you see a mix, then better you ignore the ticker. If you see everything green or everything red, they are the best ones. Again, I took profit on the TS. It went up. So even though we don't need to keep watching it and keep close, right? You don't need to manually close. We already kept a order saying like, okay, if it goes here, I want to book the profit. So automatically it closed the trade. You can say, okay, if it goes to this 45.25, I want to close the trade. And I can also set a stop loss. I can say that, okay, by a chance, if it goes below or any sudden news or something, I can say stop at this point. I close the trade. Make sure you cancel the stop order because now we took the trade, closed it. Now you can do the same thing in personal account, prop firm, wherever you want. You can pay. You use the same strategy. You can, right? As of now, we don't see any sell orders, right? If I go here, input price pulse, I came to premium, but there are no major sell order blocks. That we made more than $300 with one account. You can use normal candles. right? Especially if you use price pulse. If you want to know, right, these are like mini support areas. This is right. There is a strong support. This is like a small mini support. So if you use Heiken candles, it won't show those boxes. So you can use normal candles. Then it will show those. So that means even if price comes to this box, again that box will push the price up. That's it. I took all the right. We made profits on RTY. We made profits on YM. We made profits on ES. So more than $300 in each account. So if you are trading in 20 accounts, that is nearly $6,000. Or even if you are trading in 10 accounts, that is $3,000. So all you need to do is just to, yeah, watch for that wherever trend is bullish, go only for long side. If the trend is completely bearish, go only for the short side. For example, if this also becomes red, then I can do a short. I can sell first. Thinkorswim, you cannot use Thinkorswim. You cannot integrate Thinkorswim with TradingView, but they have a lot of other brokers, right? For example, they have Webull Pay, Webull Tradeoway, IBKR, TradeStation, all these. They don't have integration with Thinkorswim, but you can move money to Webull or something, and you can take the trades there. You can trade future stocks or everything on Webull also. Yeah, now I'm not going to do any setup or look at all the tickers. Netflix and Costco. Yeah, for options premium channel also we have that hotel savings card offer. You cannot trade Robinhood from TradingView. They don't have integration. In options subscription you will only get alerts, not any indicators. You can start with three indicator plan, monthly three indicator plan, and once you see the value, you can go to five indicators or you can go to 6 months. If you get a 6 months plan, you will get a much better discount. Thing is, you can go to this Linktree page and you can see if you want trading view or anything, you can do all those things. If you want to get the indicators, you can click on this and so I'm pasting the link. Netflix and Costco. Netflix is looking bullish. Tomorrow we may see a nice move up on Netflix. Moscow is close to resistance. Around if it goes to 975, 980, we may see a drop. But yeah, as of now, still it is may go. If it breaks the resistance, it may go to 995. But as of now, it is very bullish. Yeah, SPX is tomorrow. We can see a drop. We are close to resistance. You should see a 40, 50 point drop tomorrow. Tomorrow you may see it going back. It went to nearly 380 plus, and then there was a drop. But we can see a bounce tomorrow again. There are a lot of buy orders here. Yeah. So when because the overall trend is very bullish, even though you get a sell, it is better you don't take the sell opportunities, right? When the trend is bullish, you only look on the buy signals, right? Because the pullbacks can be only for very small time, and then suddenly again it can go up. So because the overall trend is completely green, whenever you get a buy signal, you take the trade. If you get a sell, just you close the trade, close the long position, and again wait for the next buy signal. Overnight, we may see a bigger move. Tomorrow, we may see a drop with the ES and Q, all those things. Or in the Europe session, we may see a drop. Amba is it's a good company. The reportings are good. It was a surprise, 217%. 217, they expected only 0.035. The EPS is 0.075. Estimate was only 79 million. It's more like a startup in artificial intelligence. Yeah, now I cannot look at 20, 30 different tickers. The objective of this session is to show you how we can easily make to $300. Right? If we keep on, everybody will start asking 3, 4 symbols, then it will take 2, 3 hours. Right? Again, objective is for you to understand how to use the indicators, and then you can become independent. You don't need to depend on anyone. Yeah, you can join live sessions even if you get three indicators. You will get any three indicators, right? Our top indicators are top trend, price pulse, and then you can use any one more. There is one more called T5. So yeah, we have 30, 40 different indicators, but yeah, we'll suggest you which is the best one for three indicator plan, five indicator plan, and you can use them. In trading, there are mainly two steps. Step one is to understand when to take buy, when to take sell. Right? Learning is the step one. Psychology is the step two. So sometimes you may have all the knowledge, but you may not be able to control your emotions. You may get panic quickly, or you may not take profits, right? Even though you make 200, 300, you may still wait to make more and more. So that is the second step. So it depends on, right? If you can uh, complete both step one and step two, everybody will have problem with step two. Step one is easy to understand, right? It is all about following some two or three steps. If everything is green, go long. If everything is red, go short. If there is a mix of green and red, just avoid the ticker. That is right. Within 30 minutes, you will understand how to use. Psychology is the aspect, or the emotional balance is where most of the traders make mistakes. If you understand that, you don't need to make huge thousands of dollars in one trade or one account, right? With the help of 20 accounts, you just make $100 per day. When you stop trading, then easily you will not make much mistakes. Otherwise, generally what happens is you make a lot of money and again you will give it back to market by overtrading. Overtrading is one common reason why most traders fail in the prop firm trading. So yeah, right. If you can have that emotional balance, or if you can control doing after making some two, $300, if you stop for the day, you will be successful. You can make payouts in the first month itself. If you keep continue to trade for more and more, then suddenly there will be a sudden sudden bounce or sudden drop. Whatever profits you made, you will give it back. So yeah, if you follow the system, follow the process, stop trading, then you will be successful. Yeah, and that's it, everyone. We'll talk again tomorrow, right? As I mentioned, yes, price pulse will have the panel. You will see everything. So first week, yeah, we'll have, right, whether price pulse or top trend, because this is one very important table which will help you to understand whether to take the look at the ticker or not. Right? If you see everything green, that is the best ticker to go long. If you see everything red, that is the best ticker to go short. If this is mix of green and red, better you don't trade the ticker. So that's why we added this dashboard to all the indicators. If you go to price pulse, or if you go to top trend, you will have the same table. Right? Here the difference is, here it will also give you buy signal, sell signal, support, resistance. Whereas price pulse will tell you where the big players are buying, big players are selling. That is very good for earnings, right? Before earnings, if you see a lot of sell orders, then there can be 90% you will make money with puts or with bear calls. Or before earnings, you see there is a huge distance between current price and a sell order block, or there are a lot of buy order blocks at the current price. Then the stock can move huge. So yeah, all you need to look at those things and then you can take the trades. If you take bull puts, bear calls, that is much more low risk strategy. So even stock stays choppy, also you'll make profits. So tomorrow, if crowd just moves little bit up, also we'll make nice profits with crowd. For Dell, we'll make huge profits. For Amba, we'll make huge profits. Then we took another one. Yeah, we took Urban. That also will make nice profits. Right, nearly from $38, it went to 43, $44. Yeah, okay, everyone. Good night and nice rest of the evening.